Welcome back to the Coding Problems series. Today, we are tackling a fundamental problem involving binary trees, the same tree check. This is a classic interview question that tests your understanding of tree traversal and recursion. Before we dive into the solution, let's quickly recap what a binary tree is. It is a hierarchical structure made up of nodes connected by edges. Each node contains a value and can have at most two children, a left child and a right child. The topmost node is known as the root. Here is our goal. We are given the roots of two binary trees. Let's call them P and Q. We need to write a function that returns true if they are the same and false otherwise. But what exactly does same mean here? It means they must be structurally identical, and every corresponding node must have the exact same value. Let's look at a case where the trees are identical. Here, tree P has a root of 1, a left child of 2, and a right child of 3. Tree Q has the exact same layout and values. Since both structure and values match perfectly, our function should return true. Now consider this case. Tree P has a node on the left, but tree Q has a node on the right. Even though the values are the same, the arrangement is different. The structure does not match. Therefore, these trees are not the same, and we return false. What if the structure is the same, but the values differ? Here, both trees have the same shape. However, the right child of tree P is 1, while the right child of tree Q is 2. Because the values at this specific position are different, the trees are not identical. We return false. The most intuitive way to solve this is using recursion. Since a tree is a recursive data structure, we can verify equality by checking the current node, and then recursively checking the left and right subtrees. We break the problem down into smaller, identical problems. In recursion, we always start with base cases. First, if we reach a point where both nodes are null, it means we have successfully traversed past the leaf nodes of both trees simultaneously. This is a match, so we return true. Second, if one node is null but the other is not, it means the trees have different structures. In this case, we return false. If neither base case is met, we check the values. First, we compare the value of the current node P with the current node Q. If they are different, we stop and return false immediately. If they match, we proceed to check if the left subtrees are the same and if the right subtrees are the same. Both must return true for the result to be true. Here is how the code looks. We first check if both P and Q are null. If so, return true. Next, we check if only one of them is null. If so, return false. Then, we check if the values are different. If so, return false. Finally, we return the result of recursively calling the function on the left and right children combined with a logical AND operator. Let's analyze the performance. The time complexity is big O of n, where n is the number of nodes, because in the worst case, we have to visit every node to confirm they are identical. The space complexity is big O of h, where h is the height of the tree, which represents the maximum depth of our recursion stack. To summarize, two trees are the same only if both their structure and node values are identical. Recursion provides a clean and elegant solution for this. Just remember to handle your null checks carefully to cover structural differences. That's it for the same tree check.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.